asuntoskeittiö Läntinen Ranta.
They're very nice, but I would say almost amazing because it's so fresh, you see.
Yeah.
It's today on the 22nd of September 2020, but nobody's going. It's on Läntinen Rantakatu Strandgatan 37 steg sig, asunto i Sigrinanta i Turku, Finland. The staircase is busy and they are all filmed. If you watch all the 4 out of 4 here in the residential building. And it was built in 1995, finished in 1996, and this has not been screwed.
Yeah.
It's still here. And the serial is 68407. We invest these 4 plus to 25 grams. It's going to be expected the next year, 2024, with 6 floors and 2 rooms here.
Yeah.
I like the sounds in here.
Same.
The smell.
Inspected by Kiva and maintained by Kone.
Doors also have glass in them.
Yeah.
I like this steak as it has the dark green and wood.
No, same.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad. I will go to this with the first one. We're gonna open the door.
Yeah.
You can take the pictures first.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching.
And that's